Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by confirming the problem and safety before you touch any hardware. Check the charger connection first and confirm the charger shows a light or voltage. Look at the battery icon on screen and note if charging status changes. Observe whether cursor movement or keyboard shortcuts produce any response. Note if audio playback or fan noise stops during the freeze. Try to reproduce the freeze by opening the same tabs and apps that were active. If the device is unresponsive, press and hold the power button for 10 seconds to force it off. Wait 5 seconds and press power again to restart the Chromebook normally. Try pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Q twice to sign out if the UI is sluggish. For a soft reboot, press ESC plus Refresh plus Power together and release all keys. Remove USB peripherals and SD cards before restarting to rule out external device conflicts. If problems persist, prepare a recovery USB drive using Chrome, Google, com/recovery, or the recovery utility. Backup important files to Google Drive or external storage before proceeding with any reinstall. Use the recovery media to reinstall Chrome OS following on-screen prompts and wait for the process to finish. Consider a power wash from Settings to reset the user profile and local files if reinstalling is unnecessary. Update system, firmware via Settings about Chrome OS to ensure the latest stability fixes are applied.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.